Play Mickey Mouse for 24 hours. Okay, where's Mickey Mouse? Oh, oh, an evil Mickey Mouse. Oh gosh. This is the haunted house I posed from last time. That's Jaden. Oh gosh, is that a certain toy? Is that an evil elephant? Why he's so scary? He have a dead butterfly. Guys, I've been living. What happened? Excuse me, guys. Hey, excuse me. Excuse me. It opened by itself. It opened by itself. Yo. Yo. See, it was the ghost. Oh, an evil Mickey Mouse. Well, remember, sure I would. I didn't know. I know that what's going on. No, I did not. Dude. Okay. I say hi. Evil Mickey Mouse. This is bigger than the other. I am Mickey Mouse.
Oh, that was creamer.
I hope they don't get me. I'm good. I did hide here too.
It is bitter.
Today my shoes are that wet. All the rules of the world. Okay, I got in here. Swear up. Mouse is Mickey Mouse. Oh, an evil Mickey Mouse. That guy. Hey, Grandma. I had no doubt what to turn on myself, but I did not turn it on.
I don't know English. You talk to long mouth.
Whatever. I hope he's not here. How did Mickey Mouse find me?
You can do a YouTube channel?
I am doing it right now. First, what?
Yeah, red.
But so what? Ow! Let's hide here. Okay, I hope he don't find me. Oh gosh, that's Mickey. I know that I'm gonna do it by myself. Oh man, this is Diane.
Guys, ready if you want to play hide and seek.
We cater most of the stuff.
Well, have to be careful. Oh man, Diane. Again?
Coi nhớ đi thôi chứ.
Yes. Have a bubblegum.
Let's go inside. Inside will be better. Excuse me. Is it Mickey? Just watching.
Yeah, oh, you love cousin. You play with cousin. Oh, you're so happy.
Wait, how did Mickey Mouse Simon? The inside that's all the dead end. Oh gosh. Wait, is this almost the end of the video? I'm so scared. Ah!
Guys, how do we do it? Miss Cole, not How do we start?
Wait, what?